Hello kids, welcome to the craft class. As you all informed that there is only one newspaper need for making this paper bag. I used little shiny paper here. See, this is shiny paper I used. You can use any paper, regular paper, or if you want you can use color paper, but that should be little big. So see, it is very simple, no glue, no scissor, just origami folding and you will get a paper bag. See how I am doing. First I folded from the lower portion. See, it's very simple. I folded from the lower portion, then I turned it and more than half I folded from the first corner, right side corner, and then I overlap the folding to left corner from here. See, I am overlapping it, and then I will put this section inside to that section. See, it is very simple. Okay, got it? I hope you are getting. This is getting it properly. See here, open side I will fold it and put it in this side. Nicely, gently press it and put it this side and then press it. See how simple it is. I made it small. You can make big one. I made it small because I will paste it in my craft book. Every time I paste, you write in the craft book bag and then paste it over there. You can put strings. You can put strings like this to make handles for the bag. See, you can put it like this to make handles for that. And see, it is very strong. You can use it in many ways. You can put anything, your craft book, you can give it to your mother to put small vegetables to keep it in freeze. Okay, make it. It is very simple. Good day.